Hi, I am Blabina. Look what I made. Flying fish. Blah blah Blabina. Look at that big fish! No! Fish can breathe underwater. They have gills on the side. Look. Can you see it? Can you see them? There. Gills take oxygen out of the water, allowing fish to breathe. Fish have scales on their body. Scales. Don't worry, I'm not turning into a fish. No. I'm simply learning fish language. Fish communicate through sounds. Can you speak fish language? F-I-S-H. Fish. It's flying! Now it's your turn to make your flying fish. Don't forget, you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. See you next time! Blah, blah, Blabina. Blah, blah, Blabina. Blah, 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 Blabina. 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 Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye!